I remember waking in the morning to the sound of a rooster's crow, Mama cooking in the kitchen, and Arthur Godfrey on the radio. Me and Dad were just like strangers. We never did see eye to eye. It came to blows one Sunday morning, so I packed my bags and I said goodbye. And when you leave that way, you can never go back. A train won't run on a torn up track. Sometimes I wish I'd never owned, oh no, 'cause when you leave that way, you can never go home. Then I met a girl in Knoxville, always set our wedding day. Left her standing at the altar with a baby on the way. And when you leave that way, you can never go back. A train won't run on a torn up track. Sometimes I wish I'd never owned, oh no, 'cause when you leave that way, you can never go home. Say I'm sorry. If I could only go back one more time. But I killed a man in Houston when he caught me with his wife, and I told the preacher man to leave me alone. When he came to read my rights, and he said, son, when you leave this way, you can never come back. A soul won't roll on a torn up track. All through eternity, you'll roll me alone. 'Cause when you leave this way, you can never come home. All through eternity, you'll roll me alone. 'Cause when you leave this way, you can never come home.